Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to your 11/11 Monday meditation. I am so pleased to spend this time with you. It is such a joy for me to share my meditation practice with you and to guide you in your own meditation journeys. It feels so good to walk the path of service. It feels so good to feel like you have stepped into your purpose and you are doing the work that you're meant to do in this world. And I also want to invite you all to take that journey. And it doesn't mean the way that you make money, right? Our job doesn't always have to be our purpose. We can live our purpose in so many different areas of our lives, right? Doesn't have to be where you go to work. It doesn't have to be how you pay the bills. Like, there are so many opportunities to walk in service and to serve your purpose and to do God's work. So I invite you to join in this meditation to allow me to guide you towards that mission. It's a good one today. It's about boundaries. It's about protection, and it's about allowing yourself to move forward in a way that also allows you to do the work that you were meant to do without apology, without guilt, and without confusion or question. Before we get started, really quick, I had the most amazing weekend. I was in a doula training. I'm already a doula. I've been a professional doula, a woman who assists women and their partners in the birthing process and beyond. And I took an additional training with the magical, the ethereal Latham Thomas from Mama Glow this weekend in Brooklyn. And it was just, wow! So I'm still vibing off of that. And I'm also very, very excited to start my the next round of my exclusive group coaching program, Block to Bliss, which is all about this. It's all about revisiting stories from your past and kind of shedding, not even kind of, absolutely shedding the hold that they have on you and moving forward with confidence and happiness and certainty. Right? So that group program is amazing. The link is in the video description, along with the link to my private Facebook group where we can talk every single day. And I hope that you explore those links for more information. But right now we're going to get started. Good morning, everyone. Be sure to leave your comments. Tell me where you're from. Leave your requests. Just say hello. Put the paws up. Old school BEXLIFE signal. Put the paws up to say hello. I want to invite you now to ready yourself to move into a space of safety, your meditation space. You can have your eyes open if that's more comfortable for you, or you can close them to remove visual distractions. If you keep them open, make sure that your gaze is nice and soft. Nice and soft. So focus and then pull back. Or look right beyond the tip of your nose to a spot on the floor or a point across the room from you. Bring your attention to your breath, your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. No need to change a thing. Your easy and effortless breath. Those natural inhales and exhales will guide you to the perfect space. And they will change as you observe them. They will become longer and smoother, deeper, more soothing, more peaceful. Just go ahead and follow those breaths. Maybe swaying side to side if that feels good, or staying in stillness if that feels better. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. You can leave your hands facing up to receive energy, or place them down on your knees or thighs to seal in energy, that protective energy. I wrote a bunch of mantras for you in the video description that you can visit after this meditation, all about boundaries. Boundaries as a source of self-care, boundaries as protection, boundaries as kindness, boundaries as love, boundaries as a way to teach other people how to treat us, boundaries as our right, boundaries as a way to preserve and protect our mental health, boundaries that are changeable, boundaries that are movable by us, depending on our individual needs, our individual wants, desires, preferences. Notice your breath again. Notice your easy and effortless, still inhales and exhales traveling in through your nose, down the back of your throat, filling your chest, your belly. Notice on the exhale it moving up and out again, either through your nose or your mouth, whatever feels good. Letting go of just a little bit of tension every time you exhale. Any muscle tension in your body, behind your eyes, in your jaw, in your shoulders. Noticing any stress, anything that you're holding on to, any firmness, make it soft. Inhale. Exhale, soften. You see, boundaries, they are strong, but they are movable. Boundaries are not brick walls. Boundaries are guidelines, signals. They say this is where you may not cross over to others, and where I am staying inside my voice, inside my ethics, inside my values. I stay in their protection. It's where you keep your dreams, your goals. You create this gentle, movable barrier around your mission to protect it from outside opinions, from outside demands. This is my boundary. Don't cross over. I have work to do inside. I am protecting my mission. That feels good. That feels good. It feels good to say no. It feels even better to say yes to the things that align with your mission, with your purpose, with the things that make you happy, the things that fill you up, that bring you joy, that nourish you. It feels so good to say yes to those things and no to everything that doesn't line up, that doesn't match up, that doesn't serve. Inhale. Exhale, soften and feel even more sure of your path. Inhale. Exhale, soften and release any tension that remains. You see, when you are confident, when you are sure, it is easy to be soft. It is easy to be vulnerable. There is no need for hardness. There is no need for firmness, for that brick wall. Everything is soft and easy because you glide with confidence towards your dreams. Your boundaries are so clear. Your boundaries are known, spoken, respected. When you exit this meditation, visit the mantras that I offered you in the video description. Write them down in your journal, on post-it notes, paste them around, commit them to memory. Boundaries are love. Boundaries are protection. Boundaries are kindness. Boundaries teach others how to treat me and love me. Setting boundaries is my right. Setting boundaries for my dream is my sacred duty. Boundaries allow me to serve better. Boundaries, strong boundaries, allow me to be soft and to receive and to move with ease. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, soften. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Gently, in your own time, flutter your eyes open. Return to this space with me. Hello, friends. Hello, everyone in the comments. Oh. Meditation can be used for all sorts of things. Meditation can absolutely bring you to a place of peace and calm, but it can also bring you to a place of vitality, of confidence, of strength, of power. Meditation is good for all of those things because all that it's doing really is connecting you to you. You to you. You to you. And keeping that connection, that balance of brain and heart, of consciousness, of intellect and love, bridging that pathway, balancing that pathway. It's good stuff. Keep the comments going. Check out the links for all the good stuff that's going on. My private Facebook community, the Block to Bliss group coaching program that's starting in June. I want to see you there. It's a very small group. It's a very intense mission. It is an incredible life transforming journey. Yeah. So 3 times I affirm, I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for showing up for me. When you do that, it inspires and compels me to show up for you. And I'll see you on Wednesday.